If you've just got yourself a Meta Quest 3, you really need to change that head strap. This is a game changer right here. This is the K4 Comfort head strap by KIWI. It really is a game changer, and it will make this product feel so much more comfortable, and you'll be able to play much longer in comfort. So let's open it up and I'll show you how to change the head strap. First, I'm gonna take out my Meta Quest 3. So here I have the Meta Quest 3 headset. Let's open this K4 head strap up here. Right, look at that. That is a beauty. Very simple to install. We're gonna first take this out. So this piece right here is going to be the piece that rests on the back of the head. It has a nice memory foam, and this is the strap that rests on the top of the head. Let's hook this up here first, and then we will take the original head strap off and I'll show you how to put it on. All right, so on this piece right here, we're gonna see an R and an L on the back, and that is gonna attach into this piece right here, okay? So we're gonna match it up, R to R, and then we're going to press it in with some pressure. There's a click. We're gonna press on the other side. There's a click as well. That completes this assembly over here. Next, we're going to take the original head strap off of the Meta Quest 3, and the way we're gonna do that is by pulling this outwards. Try not to pull out this way because that may damage the headset, so we're gonna pull out. So you can just grab this piece here and pull out, and there it goes. So we're gonna take the other side off, and we're gonna pull out, and it's pretty easy to pull out once you do that. Next, we need to take the top of the head strap off. So we will undo the Velcro here, and then we're gonna pull it through. So you might need to feed it in and give it a little bit of elbow grease to get it out, and voila, here we go. So we won't be needing this for now. All right, next we're going to install this head strap onto the Meta Quest 3. So what we'll do here is take these and we're just gonna clip them on the side. So left side to left side, right side to right side. All right, here we go. So we'll line it up and then press it down, and then we're gonna go on to the other side here. We're gonna line it up so you can make sure the ports line up. Once they do, you can clip that in as well, and boom, that sets up the side. So now last thing we do is need to attach the head strap, and we're good to go. So let's undo this Velcro here, and we're gonna try to feed it through. Hopefully we don't have to take the face cover off if it cooperates with us. So you're gonna feed the bottom through here. Oh, this one is very cooperative. So it came right out. So now you're gonna feed it through, and we're gonna pull it out on the other end, and then you can adjust it for your head size. So we'll just open it up and close it right there. And that completes the full setup here. So on this headset here, there's a dial at the back that can easily open up the adjustment so it can fit any head size, and it's very easy to put on. So we'll open it up all the way, and then we put it onto our head like such, and then you just turn the dial, and look how quick I'm locked in. All right, now I'm ready to play some games in some extreme comfort. So that is how you can upgrade your Meta Quest 3 right away, make it a lot more comfortable to play for extended time. If this video was helpful for you, I invite you to subscribe to our channel as we post unboxings just like this, and we also give you tips on how you can make your tech a little bit better. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.